Dance found me. It kind of plucked me as a young kid. It was something that was all around. If you go to a Latino family gathering, there's music and there's dance. I just grew passionate about movement, about creating a scenario, putting a hat on, becoming another character through that. And that slowly arced, and I went into concert dance, television. I zoomed into musical theater. The monumental love I have for theater itself was the fact that I can do it in all these different styles and mediums, you know.
Doesn't get me wrong. Doesn't get me wrong now. Doesn't get me wrong. Doesn't get me wrong now. All I wanna know.
Martine and I, this is one we've been hoping to do for probably the last 4 or 5 years.
You know, and that's the joy. It's not someone who is who works on my level, but we work in complement of each other's.
50,000 for the road.